how to fix Wells Fargo app not opening. If the Wells Fargo app isn't opening on your device for some reason, the first thing you can check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If you're using the Wells Fargo app on Android, long press the Wells Fargo app icon. Then tap on this eye icon that says App Info, which is the information icon. This setting will be found on any Android device. Then you can go to Storage, Clear Cache and choose to clear the data, which will log you out of your account, by the way. So clearing the data will clear the application's data, even the login information. On iPhone, you can just try to offload the app. Then you can go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Wells Fargo. Check if the Wells Fargo app has an update, and if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. And if none of this works, you can also try to restart your device, like your Android or iOS both, and then that should also be able to help you with most of the problems you're facing. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.